started.
Hey y'all, it's Deja the Diva, and I'm here today blocking my tree. I'm trying to do it quick and easy. I'm spraying it down with my hose. Shake it out a little bit so it doesn't be so wet. And see, to make my tree a little bit fuller, what I've done is I purchased some thrifty wreaths. Now I got these wreaths for $1.99 at the Salvation Army Superstore. I took the bows off. And what you do is you just place it in that area. Got me an old bricks container. And I'm using my peak season snow block. Self-adhesive. See, I got I'm on my back porch. And I have my drop cloth down. And I'm just going in. I want my tree heavily flocked. So that's what I'm doing. Protecting myself with my mask because ain't nobody trying to go through no more cancers. And I want my tree heavily flocked. So that's what I'm doing. See? The little spill over from my hose is what I'm going back in and reflocking so it sticks really good. All right. And I didn't do it on ground because it's actually starting to rain and I didn't want that. Okay. And what I've been doing for my tree, to follow me, Isaiah, make sure you can see me in the frame,
Yep.
is I do it upside down first. So I get underneath. And then I put the topping on the tree. And then I do it right side up. So this is how I'm going to do it. So far I've been out here 5 minutes doing it. Let's see how long this actually takes me. Not long. I don't like the sift method because, as I said, I want my tree heavily flocked. So I'm using the cup method that I've seen so many others on YouTube use. But, like I said, I want it heavily flocked, which is why I got the 25-pound bag, so I would not run out. Okay. Make sure you wear old clothes when you do this, because I don't know if it'll stick on the clothes or not, but it is what it is.
It's looking real nice.
I know. I'm liking. Okay. Let's stick this part on. Now I can proceed with doing the rest of it. Okay. Just a quick sprinkle. You still getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got my little helper today.
Yep. That's me.
Okay. This is actually fun for you girls.
And it's a good technique.
Yeah. And I want to get up in there. Heavily blocked appearance.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey, we're getting there. I'm getting where I want it to be. Okay. I have to tell you, this is quite messy. But I'm working quickly. And I really got really thin rock cloth. I should have went with like liners, like shower liners. Hey, I got another wreath here. Is that really wet? Can you see what I'm doing?
Yep.
And I'm going to whoop.
You okay?
That gets slippery. Let's see. See, when you do that to your tree,
It balances out.
it really put those reefs in between the sections. It really, really fills out your tree. And I learned that from a lady online, a couple ladies online, actually. I think cheaponline.com was one. But make sure you get thick drop cloth. Because I'm going to really have to clean this up. Trying to get this done as fast as possible.
It's looking real nice.
Are we still doing that, Isaiah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like I said, you let some of the spillage, I'm letting this work for me here. Letting some of that spillage from the leakage from the hose help me out a bit. Okay. Let's go over it. Okay. I want to get over here a little bit.
Over there.
This drop cloth, not good drop cloth. This is that's really cheap. Okay. So I'm just putting it around the tree here. Let me see. I'm going to use some spillage over this way. Okay. A little bit more there. Be careful because that's slippery. I don't want you to fall down.
Okay.
different part of the wreath I'm going to really go in with different parts. Okay. And for the last piece, I'm going to do the same thing. Take it off the porch, wet it up real good. Do the under area. Okay. All right, turn off. All right. Take the excess. I'm going to do this part off the porch just because that getting on my nerves there. Did not.
Always make sure you have a mask.
Yes. It is messy, but
It's worth it.
it's worth it. Less expensive than
Buying a flock tree.
buying a flock tree. Because the cheapest one that I see that I liked was actually at Walmart. It was $169. Then after that, there was one for $229 at Home Depot. But I'm the thrift queen, so I got this tree for $7.35,
Yeah.
including taxes. Like I said, I like heavily flocked trees, and the more flocked, the more expensive. I'll put it on top. It is extremely messy, so just keep that in mind when doing your tree. But
You okay?
drop that hose, but I'll get it. Because I'm just about done. Just a couple more touch-ups, and I'll be good. Yes. It's better to work in sections instead of trying to do your whole tree all at once. Especially when you're trying to get it heavily flocked like I am. It's best to work in sections. Okay. Yeah, keep that towel over your mouth and stuff. Okay. And make sure, before you do this, your branches, you might have to keep adjusting them. Okay. But I think it's looking pretty good. Pretty good, if I say so myself. And after you get done, keep your flock in a really dry space. My basement is really dry, so that's where I'm going to be adding my flock in a garbage bag down in my basement. And Isaiah, did you find that glitter?
No, I didn't find the glitter.
Okay. Because I can always add that later. That's looking good. I still want some of the green to show through, but not a lot. Ooh.
Well done.
Well done. And a lady gave me a terrific idea, and that was to, after you get done flocking, get you some Aquanet. And spray your tree down once it dries to keep the flock on. It stops all the fallout. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Done. Go around the tree so they can have a look.
360.
360.
360, 60. 360, 60.
There's just a couple places I want to touch up. I kind of rubbed my hands on it and it kind of just did what I wanted it to do.
And as you can see, it went perfectly.
It went perfectly. But I'm going to touch it up in some spots. And I'm done. So this is Deetra the Diva. I love you to like. Click that like and subscribe button if you please. Leave me some comments.
The notification button.
Click that notification button so every time I upload a video you will be notified. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Bye.